Hold on to your hats, ladies and gentlemen, because the XRP market is absolutely on fire right now. We're talking about XRP's open interest soaring to a record-shattering $5.42 billion. But here's the real question: can this massive surge in open interest lead to a price explosion, or is this just a temporary pump with no lasting power? Trust me, you won't want to miss a single second of this video, because today we're diving into what this all means for XRP's future and whether or not it's finally ready to hit new all-time highs. Stick with me, and let's uncover the secrets behind this crypto madness. Hey, fellas watching from every corner of the globe. Welcome back to the Zaki Crypto Update channel, your ultimate source for all things crypto. If you're here to get the inside scoop on XRP, you've come to the right place. But before we jump in, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our updates. And remember, this is not financial advice, just a couple of crypto enthusiasts sharing our thoughts, analysis, and opinions. Alright, let's get this party started. You might think you've seen it all when it comes to XRP, price swings, speculation, hype, but what if I told you we're on the verge of something massive? We've got open interest at an all-time high, a fresh influx of liquidity, and big players making big moves in the XRP ecosystem. But the big question remains, can this lead to a surge in the price, or is it just a setup for disappointment? Stay tuned till the end to get all the juicy details, because I've got some insider insights that you don't want to miss. But before we dive into the technical stuff, do me a solid: if you're ready for some crypto analysis that goes beyond the headlines, hit that subscribe button right now. And while you're at it, smash that like button, because we're about to explore why XRP could be gearing up for its next big move. Leave a comment with your thoughts. I want to hear what you think about XRP's future. Let's make this conversation happen. Alright, let's get down to business. XRP's open interest has gone through the roof, and it's now sitting at an unprecedented $5.42 billion as of January 12th. For those of you who may not be familiar with the term, open interest is essentially the total value of all open futures contracts in the market. When this number spikes, it indicates that there's a significant amount of money flowing into the asset, often signaling that traders expect a big price move. So, the million-dollar question is, will this massive increase in open interest result in a price surge for XRP? Now, before you get too excited, let's break it down. XRP's price has been on a wild ride recently. Just over the weekend, XRP surged 10% on Saturday alone. That's no small feat. But here's the kicker: back in November 2024, XRP saw a mind-blowing 282% increase. At that time, though, the open interest only peaked at $4.29 billion. Fast forward to today, and the open interest has crossed the $5.42 billion mark, which is a new all-time high. What does this mean for you as an investor or trader? Well, when open interest increases significantly, it typically means that there is more liquidity in the market. And when there's more liquidity, derivative traders, the ones using leverage, are more inclined to jump in. These traders thrive on volatility, so they're hoping that the price of XRP will continue to rise, making it a prime asset for future price predictions. And given the bullish sentiment surrounding XRP, this could very well be the beginning of something exciting. So what's driving this surge in open interest? It's a combination of factors. First off, we've got Ripple's launch of a new stablecoin, the Ripple USD, RLUSD. This stablecoin is going to offer even more settlement options on the XRP ledger, expanding the utility of the XRP ecosystem. And that's exactly what crypto needs: real-world use cases that push adoption. So when people hear that Ripple is making moves in the right direction, it naturally creates more buzz around XRP. But wait, there's more. Have you heard about the XRP Spot ETF? Ripple has been talking about this for a while now, and just last week, Ripple President Monica Long confirmed that the XRP Spot ETF would follow in the footsteps of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. For those of you not in the loop, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, allow institutional investors to gain exposure to an asset without actually owning it. If XRP can get its own ETF, it opens the door for more institutional involvement, and that's a game changer. More institutional money means more liquidity, more stability, and potentially higher prices. And speaking of big players, there's also been some chatter about a closed-door meeting between Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and US President-elect Donald Trump. Now, we don't have all the details, but the crypto community is buzzing. Could this meeting lead to some kind of major partnership or endorsement for XRP? While we don't know exactly what was discussed behind closed doors, the mere fact that such a high-profile meeting took place is enough to get people excited. The increased open interest is one thing, but let's not forget that the XRP price itself has been showing bullish signs. On January 12, XRP saw a 13% increase in price over just 2 days. This surge comes after a period of consolidation, which is typically seen as a period of rest before a bigger move. And guess what? This price action aligns perfectly with the rise in open interest. When you see open interest rising like this, it's often an indicator that the market is gearing up for a potential breakout. So, does this mean XRP is about to break through its previous resistance levels and head straight for the stars? Let's take a closer look. We're seeing a long/short ratio of 1.95 on Binance and 1.64 on OKX. For those of you who aren't familiar with the term, the long/short ratio shows how many traders are betting on the price going up, long, versus betting on the price going down, short. When the ratio is above 1, it means that more traders are bullish on XRP than bearish. This is a strong signal that traders are confident in XRP's future potential. But here's the thing, XRP is still trading within a micro range, according to analyst xrpcrypto. According to his analysis, XRP won't see any major price action until it breaks through the upper range at $2.90. If it manages to do that, it could be headed for a retest of its all-time high of $3.55. Currently, XRP is trading at around $2.45, which represents an 18% year-to-date increase. If it breaks the crucial $2.90 level, we could see a massive price surge. However, if XRP fails to break through that range, we may see a period of consolidation or even a pullback. It's all about finding that sweet spot between market sentiment, open interest, and price action. So, what's my take on this whole situation? Well, let me tell you, open interest surging to $5.42 billion is no joke. It's a clear sign that traders are incredibly bullish on XRP, and the growing adoption of Ripple's ecosystem is only fueling the fire. The launch of Verlust and the potential for an XRP Spot ETF are both huge developments that could push XRP into the mainstream. That said, crypto is volatile, and we all know how quickly things can change. So, while I'm optimistic about XRP's potential, I'm also keeping a close eye on the charts to see if it can break through that $2.90 resistance. If it does, I think we'll be looking at a major breakout. But if it stalls out, we might be in for more of the same range-bound action that we've seen for the past few months. At the end of the day, XRP is a long-term play for me. The fundamentals are strong, the ecosystem is growing, and the open interest is there. So, if you're planning to invest, do your own research and don't go all in on any one asset. Diversification is key in this space. Alright, if you're still with me, I know you're as hyped as I am about the future of XRP. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future updates. And hey, if you're feeling generous, give that like button a tap and let me know what you think about XRP's future in the comments below. Are you bullish? Or are you waiting for a better entry point? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. I really appreciate all your support on the Zaki Crypto Update channel. If you want more in-depth analysis and predictions on all your favorite crypto assets, check out my other videos. We've got everything from market updates to deep dives on blockchain technology. Until next time, stay safe, keep researching, and remember, crypto is a wild ride, but we're in it together. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions. Crypto markets are highly volatile, and the content here is purely for educational and entertainment purposes. Always invest responsibly.